Richard. Welcome back for another edition of Ask Richard. I'm happy to be here with you today. And we have a question that came in from Lucy on the YouTube channel. And she says that in one of the old videos, Richard had said that his gift is maybe not helping people to heal their bunions, but other people might have that gift. What she's asking is, when selecting a practitioner to receive a session, how would you know what practitioner to select that might be a match to best support your own healing?
Actually, 98% of the time, everybody can work on anything, because what we're doing is we're raising our life force energy, and we're providing that field of energy that your body will understand to do healing. I've only seen some calcium issues be more or less responsive. Some people have energy that may help, like certain joints or calcification things, or bunions, where it was more difficult. But pretty much anybody can work on anything. And what you might find is, if you work with a couple different practitioners, you're going to find somebody that might be more attuned to help you. But we don't hear complaints like, oh, that didn't help me enough. It's usually shocked at how well the work is working. So I use that as an example to show that people's energy is different, but your higher self will guide you to the right person. And you might explore working with another one if you like, but you're probably going to see you're making a lot of progress if you're not feeling all the way better.
Great, thank you. I would echo that also. In my experience, I find that people are kind of drawn to specific practitioners that maybe they feel a resonance with. And in my experience, the very first quantum touch session I received from somebody was somebody who would commonly receive clients with the same condition or the same concern, and which was the same for me, being drawn to her. So I thought that was really remarkable. Thank you, Richard. And thank you to Lucy for your question on the YouTube channel.